All right, let's start with your almanac and talk about first the temperatures. We hit 90 this afternoon, not extremely hot. That's actually right on the button for the average for this time of year, but it felt much hotter than that because of the high dew points and humidity. For the year now, we're running about 36 inches of rainfall. For the month, over 10 inches. This is now still the 10th wettest July on record, surpassing the number 10 spot, which was in 1919, 9.91 inches, I think. In any event, we added to that today, so that does not show up in that total, but we have basically looked at a lot of rain, obviously, and now we're just dealing with the humidity this evening. Temperatures right now 75. Dew point almost matches that, so the humidity is at 96%, and because of that, we're going to have some areas of dense fog forming in some spots tonight. We do have the clear scans on radar for a change over central Virginia. Off to the east, the lingering thunderstorms around the eastern shore, and they really packed a wallop down here over the eastern part of the state, northern neck, middle peninsula, those areas still have some flood advisories and warnings in effect. This is the flood watch still in effect out here toward Tappahannock. Flash flood warning continues out through Gloucester County, Kilmarnock, those areas, and a flash flood warning down in Buckingham County, both of those for another hour or so because of the residual rain and kind of taking a while to drain out where it's ponded and such on the roadways and creeks and that sort of thing. Temperatures for the lows tonight probably down in the mid-70s, very close to where we are right now, so not a lot of change, but there will be some visibility dropping a little bit as the dew points kind of match the temperatures. Then tomorrow's high temperatures back up into the 90s, a little hotter tomorrow than it was today, and the humidity is going to be about the same, so the heat index is going to be up at about 100 to 102. Not quite at heat index or heat advisory levels, but it's going to be so hot you really need to take it easy outdoors tomorrow afternoon. Here's the setup: a frontal boundary to the north. We had lots of thunderstorms on northwesterly winds south of that. This cold front comes into the area tomorrow night into Monday, and that's what will bring us the drop in temperatures and humidity next week. And then watching low pressure way out here in the Atlantic, but as high pressure kind of retreats back into the southeastern United States, I think this could wrap back in, and maybe an area of low pressure tries to form off the coast of the southeastern United States later next week. Non-tropical at this point, but something maybe just keep an eye on just in case. All right, let's look at our future cast for tomorrow. We're going to have some cloudy skies early, maybe little areas of fog. This is into tonight through tomorrow morning. This is, again, not showing much active weather happening tonight, although visibilities will drop a little bit. This is by late tonight, probably talking about 2 or 3 mile visibilities into early tomorrow morning. And then your forecast, future cast for tomorrow through the day, talking temperatures up in the mid-90s, but where are the storms? Not seeing many of those happening tomorrow. Maybe an isolated strong storm. Consequently, the Prediction Center has us under a level 1 risk for severe storms. But I think a better chance we're going to see some of those thunderstorms coming into the area Monday afternoon as the actual front drops to our south. So let's talk temperatures. 94 tomorrow, heat index at 100 plus, 88 for the high Monday, 3 and 10 rain chance Monday. Tuesday, sunshine, highs in the mid-80s, extended forecast mid-80s Wednesday. Those are the 2 best days of the week. Lower humidity, nice temperatures. Then we get back into the 90s for the end of the week.